Welcome to your Flame Fundamentals training. Now, in the previous videos, you learned how to operate the playback in Flame using the standard play controls. You press Enter to play and Enter to stop. Now, if you're coming from another NLE or finishing application, you may also be familiar with the JKL workflow, and Flame has the same functions. The JKL controls in Flame should match what you are used to in other NLEs. Pressing L will play the sequence forward. Pressing J will play the sequence backward. You can toggle between the shortcuts to go forward and backward without stopping. For example, if you are reviewing a transition or edit. Pressing K will stop the playback. Using JKL, you can also increase the playback speed of the sequence. To increase the forward playback speed, simply press L multiple times during playback. Using fast playback, a speed indication will appear to the right of the player's scrub bar. The same principle is applied to playing the sequence backwards using the J shortcut. Press the shortcut multiple times and the playback speed will increase. Using JKL, you can also decrease the playback speed of the sequence. To decrease the play speed when playing forward, press Shift L multiple times and the playback speed will decrease. And as before, the speed indicator will appear to the right of the player's scrub bar. To decrease the play speed backwards, the steps are the same. Press J to start reverse play and press Shift J to decrease the playback speed. Please move on to the next video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Flame Learning channel. Thanks for watching.